Used properly, it can relieve tension in the muscles commonly associated with tension headaches. Most headaches are tension headaches. What causes this are hypercontractions along the neck and the base of the skull. One of the causes for these contractions in the neck is what's called ventral posture. Ventral posture can be caused by sitting at a desk all day long and slouching with the head and skull moving forward. Therapists use the neck kit to perform a sub-occipital release. To begin, lay on the floor, or in this case, the table, and keep your knees bent. You want the block's 2 points to rest on the sub-occipital muscles. These are located just below the skull. Never place the peaks in contact with any bony structure. Remain motionless for just about 10 minutes and allow the skull to drop backwards. Keep in mind that 1 inch lower is the splenius capitis, another group of muscles that are largely responsible for tension headaches. To target this muscle, simply move the tool 1 inch below the suboccipitals. And follow the same procedure of gentle relaxation. Initial sessions should last between 10 and 15 minutes and should be done about 2 to 3 times daily. If at any point you feel your condition worsening, discontinue use of the tools and seek advice of a healthcare provider.